So just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame here for another daily update. As always, before we begin, as you can see on screen, make sure you go down below and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and get involved with that. As you can see on screen here, got some amazing deals for everyone who's interested. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, bouncing in line with what Bitcoin's doing. You can see putting in some very obvious bullish divergences here for me as well on the RSI. In my opinion, coming down, sweeping this liquidity and then bouncing out of here, basically just because Bitcoin is currently bouncing. Everything is just following Bitcoin as always. Bitcoin, very interestingly here, has held this weekly fair value gap here, as you can see. Never closed below this fair value gap, and we are currently bouncing out of this area, which I think is quite interesting. And then on the daily here, we have closed above this daily fair value gap and looking like we're coming up, targeting some of this liquidity above as well. Got some potential liquidity here that we could come and target up to the next daily fair value gap, which I think is interesting. And as I said in previous videos, Bitcoin looking like it's starting to V-shape out of this area, which is very interesting indeed. If that's the case, then we will see some relief, as we are starting to see for our altcoins. Obviously, this is not the major bounce to the upside that we're looking for, but short-term relief right now with Bitcoin is pretty much all that we can expect, considering the fact that no one really knows where the market's going to go next for altcoins, considering how much they have underperformed in this market so far. You can see we were getting the semblance of a bull market for a while for cryptocurrencies in general, but ever since we got the tariff dump at the start of this year, Vechain's been going sideways, and now it's just trickling to the downside here. So overall, a lot of cryptos like this, they will look exactly the same. This is nothing to do with Vechain specifically. You can see across the board here, even Avalanche is looking so sorry right now. So many cryptos here looking incredibly sorry for themselves, as you can quite clearly tell. Apart from Bitcoin, which looks like, in my opinion, it could have a really good bounce from this area and a renaissance. But right now, all of our altcoins looking very, very sad indeed. Ethereum back down to 3k. And a lot of other cryptos as well. XRP remarkably strong, to be honest. But finally starting to get more of a dive to the downside, as you can see. But has been really strong recently, to be honest. Bouncing at that $2 level, but as you can see for Vechain, really just following the rest of the altcoin space. And we're going to have to wait and see whether or not Bitcoin bounces to the upside, and if we ever get ourselves the altcoin season we're all looking for. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.